Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel for Mental Health Brain. Title: The Green Apple Miracle. Once upon a time, in a small town nestled by rolling hills, there lived a wise old doctor named Dr. Harrison. Dr. Harrison was known far and wide for his remarkable health, vitality, and the fact that he had never been sick a day in his life. People often wondered about his secret, and many asked him how he managed to keep illnesses at bay. One sunny morning, Dr. Harrison visited the bustling farmer's market, where he met an elderly farmer named Mr. Johnson. Dr. Harrison: Good morning, Mr. Johnson. How are you today? Mr. Johnson: Oh, I'm doing just fine, Dr. Harrison. Can't complain. But I've always wondered, how do you stay so healthy and never catch a cold or flu? Dr. Harrison: Well, Mr. Johnson, the answer might be simpler than you think. It's all thanks to this humble green apple. Dr. Harrison went on to explain the incredible benefits of eating a green apple every day. First, green apples are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, which boosts the immune system. Second, they're rich in dietary fiber, promoting a healthy gut, which is crucial for overall well-being. Third, green apples are low in calories and help maintain a healthy weight, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Lastly, the antioxidants in green apples help protect the body from harmful free radicals. Mr. Johnson was amazed by this simple yet powerful knowledge. Mr. Johnson: So, you're saying that eating a green apple every day can keep the doctor away? Dr. Harrison: That's right, Mr. Johnson. It's a small daily habit that can have a big impact on your health. From that day forward, Mr. Johnson made it a point to eat a green apple every day, just like Dr. Harrison. And as the years passed, Mr. Johnson remained healthy and vibrant, never needing to visit Dr. Harrison for illness. The legend of the green apple and the doctor who stayed away became well known in their town. So, remember, a green apple a day might just keep the doctor away. The power of nature's gifts can truly work wonders. The Green Apple Miracle. The end. Please accept my sincere thanks for watching. I would appreciate it if you could subscribe, like, share, follow, comment, and turn on the bell icon. Credit by R.M. Shah.